Hey YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back to the garden. It's been a couple months since I last uploaded, but it's the beginning of a new grow season and I'm super excited to be here with you guys to start the grow. This year we're in a new location and it's pretty interesting. It has some limitations but some benefits, I guess. The total width of the grow space is only about 3.5 feet this year, so I won't be able to do my usual trellising method. So as you guys can see, I planted all my plants as close to the outside of this planting bed as I could. In terms of lighting, I think they get direct sunlight from maybe like 7 a.m. through 2 p.m. so I expect these plants to stretch pretty hard, and without my usual trellising method, I'm not quite sure how I'll prevent them from toppling over, but let me quickly show you each of the plants and tell you what I'm growing this year. All my plants look pretty raggedy because I really wasn't super sure where or if I'd be able to grow this year, but this is what we got so far. This plant right here is either descended from Skittle Mittens, but I think it's more likely that this is a Bear Creek Kush back cross that I got seeds from. And as you can see from the growth habit of this plant, it's super duper lanky. The original Bear Creek Kush that I grew was super lanky as well. I'm gonna top it right here, but I wanna give her a couple more days to acclimate because I only planted these plants back here the night before last, so about 2 days ago. Over here we have a Clown Royale cross with a Bear Creek Kush. This is the same strain as well. I tried growing 2 of these last year, but they didn't make it through to harvest, and this is one of the strains I've been really wanting to grow and see what the flower's like, so I'm kind of excited for these. I expect these 3 plants to be super lanky, which is why I planted them over here. Right here we have a Chosen One. One of the plants I'm more excited for as well. I did a stem rub on the one I tried growing last year, and it's something that I'm interested in. Over here we have a Slime Ball, and over here we have a 7 Hills. So as you guys can maybe tell, the lankiest plant is over here, and as we get closer towards this back fence over here, they get smaller and smaller, which is hopefully to prevent people from seeing over the fence. But yeah, that's about it. Just wanted to introduce you guys to the garden, show you what I'm growing this year. And yeah, I'll probably film like updates maybe every month or 3 weeks, something like that. But as always, thanks so much for tuning in, and I will catch you guys soon in the next one. Later.